In this episode, we'll go from a detailed creative brief to the final logo and a brand style guide. We'll go through various steps of the design process from research, trying different iterations, to the final logo and a detailed brand style guide. So, without further ado, let's get started. Here I have the creative brief from the client named Lollipop Lane. It's a vibrant desert cafe and bubble tea bar, and here's the list of their core product offerings. So every graphic design project starts with researching the market, and my favorite place for research is Pinterest. On Pinterest, we'll search bubble tea logo and see how things are around. I really like the Bubble Bliss one. How they have used the handwritten font here, it looks personal. And the mascot on the bubble burst looks cute. I think Let's Boba has very interesting choice of colors. You don't see those colors in boba brands. And the Bubble Bite one, it's nice, blues. That's the problem with me, I like everything. And the mascot of the boba, it's so cute. Here they have used the eye of the tapioca as the straw. That's clever. I think Bobchi one is one of my favorites here. I really like the use of pastel colors. It looks soft and comforting. I think we have seen enough and we can get into designing right away. I know one should start the logo with sketching first, but for today, I'll jump right into Illustrator. I'll select the type tool and type Lollipop Lane and try different fonts I have installed in my computer. I'm looking for fonts that will match the theme of the desert cafe. Now I'll copy the text and try different fonts again. This one looks nice. I'll try playing around the different glyphs of the piece. And I'll make another copy and try another iteration of the logo. We'll make another copy and try out more fonts. This has a nice handwritten feel. So as you see, we keep making more and more iterations till we are satisfied with our fonts. And it looks like we have run out of them, so we'll go to fonts.adobe.com to find more fonts. Here I'm searching for the font named Decoy. I've previously used this font and it has this soft and plum feel to it. I think this may work for our brand. I'll download the font and go back to Illustrator and apply it to the iteration. And make another copy and try finding more fonts. I know this is super repetitive and boring, but this is how we reach that final logo. I think this may work for us. I'll get it and apply it to the iteration and go back to find more fonts. This may work as well. I'll get it. I think we have tried enough fonts for now. We'll go back to Creative Brief and get some ideas. Here we see the client is also looking for candy motif in the logo. I'll Google to get some ideas from there. I really like the swirls in the candy, so we'll make something close to this in Illustrator. Here we'll make a circle and a spiral shape and adjust it. Then we'll make a rounded rectangle to make a candy stick and again make a little adjustments. Now I want to give a stylized look to the strokes of the candy, so I'll make a new art brush with rounded and tapered ends. I'll apply it and start making the first iteration of the logo, combining one of the fonts and candy illustration. And we'll make another copy. This time I want to try filled stroke on candy stick. I'm not really sure about these. Maybe I'll try another font. Nah, it looks very bad. Maybe I'll try another iteration. So you see, it's all about experimenting, trying as many ideas as possible till you find that right logo. I don't think any of these are quite working yet, so I'm going to try playing around with this script font. And I just got an idea. What if we add the candy swirls into L's and P's? Let's see how it goes. Here I'm making a separate copy for every tweak I make so it's easy to compare. Since I previously expanded the logo to add the swirl, I'm using another text and adding it to the logo. Here I'm tweaking the anchor points to clean up the curves. I feel there's still something missing in the logo. Maybe we can try adding circles behind the curves to make them look like lollipop. Yeah, it looks better, but it feels a bit flat. I think adjusting the positioning of the second word might add more balance. Good, I love it. Let's add the slogan. I'm using the font Omnes we previously downloaded. And here I'm experimenting with different alignments and kerning. I think we have got the logo. Let's go and find the word mark. This is it. Even though I'm happy with my logo, I want to try a few more iterations to see if I can come up with something better. I think I like these bright colors, even though these are not the final colors of the brand. Here in this iteration, I'm trying the colored shadow effect like in TikTok's logo. I don't think it's working. I'll try a few more things to see if something works out. Nah, nothing. I think I'll give up. And here's the final logo and icon. If you're still here, thanks a lot for watching. I'll get back with the brand style guide video tomorrow. See ya!